Hi guys. Today we're gonna be playing MM2 in yeah again. Yeah, she's very busy and we can't see each other. That's why we're on video call. I mean Discord. Yeah, we're on Discord. Don't mind my avatar. I like this. And we're in MM2 and 1v1. Yay! Better subscribe before I haunt you forever. Paano si Barbie? How did Barbie look like this? Yeah, she's gonna post a video tomorrow because it's late. Mhm. It's it yeah. We've been we've been not posting for a while because we're in different areas. Let me change my avatar. By the way, don't we don't have Robux, so we're using a fake one. Yes, what? I'm gonna be small. Oh my god, it's oh my god. Oh my god, guys, it's my wish. Oh, Cherry. Yeah, she's not in my house. We're not doing another sleepover. Wait. Remember my TikTok when I said Alpha Sigma? Alpha Sigma. Yeah, I forgot. We were doing a sleepover that time. And now, are you in Maynila? I'm Mickey Mouse! Oh my god, palitan ko ng avatar ko. Emi Boba. Hi, I'm Emi Boba. Hello, why are you taller than me? Sagot tayo. I don't like being small yan. Ako yung multo. Oh no, 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 no. Hala, napindot ko yung lalaki. Hala, help. Lalaki daw ako, guys. A boy. A boy with a bad aim. No, thank you. Oh my god, guys. Guys, remember the bestie body. Guys, do you remember my besties? Guys, do you remember? Wait lang, girl. Wait, that's copyright. I'm emo. No. I, no, no, I'm not. You tricked me last time. Guys, do you remember? Guys, do you remember my bestie's body? We were just randomly, we were just randomly playing, and that got on our minds. So we wanted to do a vid. So here we are. Hey! I'm powerful. You slide it down the stairs. You slide it down the stairs. Ben, you slide it down the stairs and do the splits. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. Yeah. There's a serpinsan, by the way. Ba't ka naging Glenda? Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Alpha ba? Ay, wala pa silang ginagawang alpha ba? Nakakainin. Murder again. It's so hot. Yes, because I'm sexy. Joke lang. Ay, wait, my phone is lagging. Please. Ano? Ba't kasi Glenda? I'm sorry guys, I can't swear. I'm gonna throw a table after if I do have a table. Ay, di naman kita nakita. Ala, ano nangyari sa'yo? Sumasayaw ka, be. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Be, you better watch the video. Kung na-post ko mamaya. Yeah, if we're done, I'm gonna send it to you. For you to watch it. And then you will see how Glenda was dancing crazy earlier. Totoo talaga, sumasayaw ka kanina. Like this. Oo. Tumalon ka kasi di din kita nakita. Hala, Yippee, my favorite. Murder again. Sa, saan ka? Hindi kita nakita. Sorry. Ayaw mo. Oh my God. My ghost. Ba't ako nag-ghost? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Lenda, lumilipad ka. Yung ulo mo na sa baba. Magre-reset na dapat ako. Wala, wala bang alpha ba? Saglit. Wala akong makitang alpha ba? Wala si alpha ba, oh? Kasi green siya. No? Sige, saglit. Ako maging Glenda. Hanapin ko lang. Pero hindi yung Glenda na ano. Wala na, wala na. Saglit, hanapin ko lang. Oh, your neighbor is shouting. Ranking. Ranking. Saan ka ba? Saglit, magre-reset ako. You're welcome. I'm now Glenda. I'm the girl with pink hair and glasses without a face. Be, I'm already Glenda. Be, hindi. Ito na yung Glenda. Ano na yung anak ko? No, mother, I'm not gonna go with you. today? Macarena. No? Sabay tayo namatay? Oh my God. By the way, guys, if you're new, subscribe and like and hit the bell. Because if you do, yeah, because we're new YouTubers. We're new. Even though I have like 755, I think, subscribers. Wow! What happened to you? Ano lumilipad si... Hala, lumilipad si Glinda, guys! No! Yes! Ay, hindi naman ako... No! 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 Hala, nangyari naman sa'yo? Gusto ko kasi mugtuhin ka. Si Ryzen? Si Ryzen, guys. Si Ryzen, masyadong pro. She's a little bit too pro for me. I'm so sad. Being, ginagawa mo sa akin? Bless. Ano? No, I don't wanna, no. Bro, what? I'm your monster that haunts in your dreams and you're, flexing. Hala, bawal Easy peasy. Hala, be, nakikita kita yung boots mo. Kinakain na kita. Okay, guys, we're almost done. We're almost done to end this video. Cause I don't think you guys want to watch this long. Yeah. So we're gonna, yeah. This is gonna be. Oh wait, no, this is not our last one. Become the murderer in the ground. No, you're trying to make me spend my $0 Robux. I can do that too. Oh my God, why am I sheriff again? Why is the monster always sheriff? Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God! What are okay, guys? Glenda's flying again. Somebody called the intruder. By the way, guys, if you're gonna ask me for a drawing tutorial, I got you. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. No, no, ako yung nagmumulto sa'yo kasi ako yung multo. Ako yung multo. Kasi yung Glenda cannot do it. Hey guys, this is almost gonna be our last vid because I'm gonna be more working on my studies now. I know I'm top 5 guys, but I really want to get on top 2 or something. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna be posting pala. So, like, uh, yeah, we're not gonna be posting maybe for 2 weeks. If we can call each other again, or she can go here. We will call each other. Guys, I'm sorry, okay? Stay tuned. Guys, I'm gonna give you a little hint. We are, I'm going to Manila maybe on May. So you guys better. Yeah, I'm gonna be, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it's May 1. And I'm going to another one. I'm going to Baguio for like on Tuesday. I Tuesday or Tuesday. You better wait. Stay tuned. I already give you a little hint. This is gonna be our last game. What? It's getting. It's no. It's not getting late. What? Where are you? What? Yeah, you should. I'm gonna scare. Oh my God! What? I thought you were gonna do something for a second. Magic. Wow, we're dancing again. Wow. You do your video. Okay. No. Right? Hey, babe, we have to do the bye. We have to go bye now. Okay, wait. Don't move. I'm trying to. Okay, guys, this is the end to the video. Hey, what are you doing? Bye.